My sister and my friend playing Barbie Happy Picnic. Cinderella and Tweety. In the past year, Cinderella is almost made, and Tweety is now very rich. So this is 15 years later. So this is the house of Barbie. This is the bedroom of Barbie, and that is the kitchen of the Barbie. So let's get started. I have no work.
Cinderella, where is my breakfast?
Okay, Mom, I'll go. What breakfast do you want, Mom?
Anything.
Okay, Mom. Barbie broke the plate. Barbie broke the plate of the... Gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, Cinderella, what happened?
I'm sorry, Mom, but I broke the plate. broke the plate.
Oh, it's okay. And Cinderella, this is the doorbell, okay? Look at.
Okay, Mom, thank you.
It's okay. I will go to buy some plate tomorrow.
Okay, Mom. Do you want breakfast, Mom?
Yes, anything.
Okay, Mom. You have a plate? Carl. What do you want, Mom? Oh, coffee. Hi, I'm Barbie. I'm Cinderella now. I'm so very poor. Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm cooking anything breakfast for Mom because I'm breaking the plate. Okay, see you, bye. Bye.
Wait.
We have this this is a chocolate by anything you want color, and put in this plate of the Barbie
I
and
will
pour
go
it.
with Cinderella.
Oh my gosh. It's very good.
Cinderella,
Oh, Mom.
I will go out and buy a plate.
Okay, Mom. See you. Be
Bye.
careful, Mom.
Wow.
It's so very nice.
Cinderella, I come back.
Okay, Mom. Let's play.
Six.
So let's
Oh,
pour it
Mom.
on. Let's pour it.
Six.
Okay.
And
Just
my
shake it.
coffee.
And let's back to the video.
And I will go to breakfast and my coffee.
Yes, Mom.
And arrange the plate.
Okay, Mom. I'll wait. I will.
And Cinderella,
Mom?
washing my dress and rubbing the floor and grooming the yard because my house is so dirty.
Okay, Mom. I will. Bye, Mom. See you.
Oh, I'm going to my room.
Yes, Mom. I know.
And Cinderella,
Yes, ma'am.
only one my food.
Okay, ma'am. I will.
Not more than.
Yes, ma'am. Just hot.
Ma'am,
This is your breakfast.
okay.
This is your breakfast,
Put
ma'am.
put that in the chair.
Okay, ma'am.
And where's my?
Oh, ma'am, you're singing.
Oh, yeah. It's so very fun. Oh, that's baliktad. Oh,
Oh, bye, ma'am. I will arrange the plate and sweeping the floors and cleaning the yard.
I'm grooming the yard.
What?
Grooming
The
yard.
is okay, ma'am. The yard is so dirty. I want to clean because your house is so pretty and your yard is so very dirty.
Okay, and I will go to take breakfast.
Okay, ma'am. Oh my God, ma'am, it's so dirty. I-charge tong kuan siya.
Mata!
Hot mat. Hoy, ano siya? I-charge tong kuan be. Flashlight sa kaya mag-burn out ba niya? Alasay.
Mat mat! Hi, mat mat!
Lo.
Mat mat, oh. Sarap ba sila? Ready na?
Ay, mat mat.
Sama ka ng video ni Mateo.
Mat mat.
Yes, mat mat. Salam sa mat.
Apila kung si mat mat.
Ala si mat mat. Ay, ala si mat mat. Ala si mat mat. Ala si mat mat. Ay.
Oy! Barbie.
Cinderella, I'm done eating. And I will take a bath.
Okay, mommy, take a bath. It's so very big. Oh, second floor, in the yard. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.